Hi friend, I am Pankaj Kumar Dhanvantri. I am not standing in front of your camera, but you don't worry. I am telling you how principle to work a robotics automatic welding. First of all, I am currently working SM Auto Engineering Private Limited. You see in picture, this is a robotic welding machine, and here it is a fixer. Here is a fix the job to work, and this system is a totally programming by this device. Take pendant, and this is a rotating table type fixer, and this is a robotics. It's work on pneumatic. Here is a clamping device to clamp a job to proper welding, and this is a argon plus CO2 arc welding.